alaikum. Good day, my dear students at home. Today I'm going to be revising on the things we have done since the beginning of the section to today. And I believe all of you are doing great back there at home. From the beginning of the section, I believe you all understand that we started from what is known as agriculture. And we said agriculture can be defined as the process of growing crops and raising animals on a particular land. It includes soil cultivation, crop production, and livestock management. All these things that I mentioned are the things that are inculcated in agriculture. And these things that I have mentioned are not just only the things that are inculcated in agriculture. There are so many things that you are going to see in agriculture that are going to interest you. And after that, based on the notes that I gave you, if you cast your mind back to those notes, we have talked about the branches of agriculture, where we talk about crop production, which is known as agronomy. We talked about horticulture. We talked about animal husbandry. We talked about forestry. We talked about fishery. We talked about soil science, agricultural engineering, and agricultural economy. All these things are branches of agriculture, which we have mentioned some in the class and we explain with you people. And if you can recall, there are some videos which we projected to you people back then in the class, and we have seen how agriculture is taking place in the farmland. And at the same time, apart from this, we have the importance of agriculture. Why even agriculture? Why do we engage in agriculture? We have it provide food for the masses, because in our daily activity, there is no way as an individual you will wake up and say you did not need food, except if something is wrong with you or maybe if you are sick. It provides food for the nation. It generates income for the government. Based on this agriculture, the government have interest or the revenue that is being collected from the people that are engaged in farming is known as generation of income to the government. Supply of raw materials. These things that are being processed or these things that are being harvested from the farm, which are known as the raw material, are being processed into various types of food products for use in the market. We have it create employment. There are so many people that are into agriculture. They are not directly into farming system, but they generate income to support their family in their daily activities and support national economy. In every nation in the world, agriculture is very important, and it promotes trade between nations, between one country and the other. And at the same time, we have what is known as agricultural products. And if we are talking about agricultural products, here we have food crops, maize, rice, cassava. We have animal products, meat, eggs, milk, and we have raw material, cotton, rubber, timber. All these things that I listed for you people are agricultural products that can be taken from the farm and being processed into various type of things like the timber, the cotton, the rubber, and what have you. These ones are being processed into the clothes that we wear, the meat and the egg, the milk are the things that sometimes we do come to school with yogurts, eggs. Our parents used to fry them for us at home. Either we eat them at home or we bring them to school as lunch. All these things are done through the process of agricultural products, and the harvesting of crops that the farmers do are the ones that help our parents to go to the market and purchase these things without them being the ones engaged in the production of these agricultural produce. And at the same time, we have talked about types of crops. And here, if we are talking about type of crop, we have food crop. If we said food crop, here we are talking about example of food crops like maize and rice. Maize and rice are being used by people all over the world to either feed themselves, and at the same time, we have what is known as cash crops. Cash crops, we have the cocoa, the coffee, and at the same time, we have what is known as fiber crop, which is the cotton, jute. We have oil crop, which is the groundnut and the palm oil. We have spices crop, which is known as the ginger and pepper. These ones are being used in order to produce food for us at home. And we have crop propagation method. And if we are talking about crop propagation, we are talking about how crops are being merged together to produce two variety of crops at the same time. And if we said seed crop propagation, these ones are done through the seeds. And at the same time, we have vegetative propagation, stem, root, tuber, grafting. Plant parts used for propagation. The parts that farmers use in order to merge the two crops together. Number one, we have seed, we have stem, we have root, we have tuber, cassava, and yam. All these crops can be propagated. As we have all explained during the course of this short video that I'm giving you people, this is a summary, a recap of what we have talked about. And agriculture is essential for food, income, and raw material. It has branches and crop groups. Propagation can be by seed or vegetative path. With this, I believe we have come to the end of our short video.